Hello guys, this is DFXS. Once again, welcome to TFX family. I believe you are doing good, all traders. I respect you guys. My fellow traders, today I just want to show you the power of the system because I've been telling you with this system when we didn't rename this system MT5 Master for just to make or for making fun or to give it to just to the big name of blah blah blah. No, this is MT5 Master and it is a MT5 solution. And I told you with this system you can trade any types of trading according to maybe the experience you have, whether you are a day trader, whether you are a scalper, a long trader, it doesn't matter as long as you have the TFX MT5 Masters, guys, it is a sure bet that you'll make a lot of money. You just need to discover yourself. Today, I just want to talk about the swing trade or swing trader. A swing trader is a person who is looking for a setup that you can that can give you a good entry that you can hold for some days. So this means that a swing trader he don't have a specific days of trading. You can hold a trade for 3 days, 4 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, according to the setup you see in the market or what you know, either following the rules of the system. And after seeing the exit point, you can exit from that place and wait to re-enter the market again. So today I'm just going to show you the power of this system that if you are a swing trader, this is what you need as a trader. Maybe you don't have much time to watch the trades, to wait for entries, but you just want to look for one trade and a good setup that can give you or can help you to hold trades for some days. Now, this system will save your time. This system will help you do whatever you want. The only thing you need is to pay attention and to follow this video closely. And let me tell you, you'll be free indeed from watching the market like it's a maybe it's a competition or no. Let's leave that. Let's continue. Let's not talk much because I just want you to understand. Let's go straight to the point. I will just start giving a good example with volatility 75. The thing that can give you money, the index that people fear, the index that people always wish if they could have or understand how to trade even volatility 75. What I'm about to show you guys, it's all about trading these volatilities. Doesn't matter which one. And this is why I'm just going to give an example with volatility 75, volatility 100, 50, and 25. Then I will be done with that. And by following this video closely, trust me, you'll be trading professionally and you'll always be beneficial. Now, let's start with the point number one. What are you supposed to look with this software, or what are you supposed to analyze with this software before entering or before taking the trades? Number one, I just want you to be in 1 hour time frame, because now there is where we are going to start our chart analysis, and our entry point, it will be in minute one, and exit point, it will be in 1 hour time frame, H1. Keep this in mind. Our analysis will start in 1 hour time frame. The entry point, it will be in minute one, and exit point, it will be in H1. So that's something to write down so that you can understand or you will catch up what I'm about to show you. So let's proceed. Let's start with this volatility 100, 75. Guys, as you can see, in 1 hour, you'll be looking for the mountain to be at level 10, or when the mountain is approaching the level 10 at this area. This is where the mountain was approaching Let me zoom out so that you can see. This is where the mountain was approaching the level 10, and that's where I draw my line. Number two, make sure after zooming out, in case maybe you dumped with the chart, because that's how it comes by default, just zoom out all. If you have dumped with the chart, then zoom in all, then zoom out just once, so that you can have a clear setup of where mountain should be. So by zooming in once, out once, that gives you the exact picture of where the mountain should be. So you should be analyzing the mountain when you zoom in all and just zoom out all and zoom in just once, like that. But by default, it comes with this setup. But in case you dump with the chart, that's what to do: zoom in all and zooming out once. Now, in 1 hour, we'll be looking if the mountain is approaching level 10 or 90, if it is a buy. So I will draw my two lines here. This is for where the mountain was approaching the level 90, yeah, at this place. And you'll be looking at the same 1 hour if there is a triple T, despite whether it is a echo triple T, and if it is a yellow triple T or a red triple T. If there will be a yellow triple T at this place, know that that market will buy for even almost a month or many days. If there is a aqua triple T, it can be a reversal, but it's reliable. You can trade that. Remember, we are looking the direction of the market in 1 hour. If the mountain is at level 90 and there is a triple T at that place. So now forget about all this confirmation. Now let's look that the mountain was approaching the level 90, and the only thing that was here in 1 hour, it was only triple T. Keep that in mind. Let me just pin this this one for buy. Let's delete this one because we don't want for the confusion, because we just want to analyze market from this place. So remember, the market was approaching the mountain was approaching level 10, and there was a aqua triple T. Is this, let me zoom out? No, this is the red triple T. Now those are the things to look at, whether it is red, whether it's yellow, whether it is equal triple T. Now, from there, just go to minute 15. Keep this in mind. In minute 15, you'll be looking for the mountain to be at the same place, level 10, and but there you'll be looking for yellow triple T. In minute 15, you'll be looking for yellow triple T. Keep that in mind. Now let's go to minute 15. Remember, we are doing the swing trading. Here it's where we are. As you can see now here, there was a yellow triple T. It's very, very, very important to have this, because I told you when the yellow the triple T, it's in 1 hour, the market gonna buy or sell smoothly or hugely. But now we are looking for yellow triple T in minute 15. The other thing you are supposed to be looking in minute 15, sometimes you may miss some indicators. Don't worry, my friend. As long as the mountain is at level 10 and there is a yellow triple T, remember the entry point, we are going to enter this market at minute 1. So what we are looking here, it is the yellow triple T and the mountain now being at level 10. Now, from there, we are going to minute 5. In minute 5, we want the confirmation of everything, because the more we are going down for lower time frame, the more we want more confirmation. So In 1 hour, we were just looking the mountain at level 10 or 90 with one triple T, whether it's yellow, green, red, or aqua. But in minute 15, we were looking for yellow triple T, the mountain approaching level 10 or 90. Now, in minute 5, we are going to look for all confirmation. Let's go to minute 5. This is what I just want you to understand. Uh, uh, let's let the chat update because this is all about deriv. Yeah, there we go. In minute 5, remember this is the same line we drew from our from H1. Now in minute 5, sorry for that. In minute 5, let me zoom out again, zoom in again to show you. In minute 5, we are looking for yellow triple T. The dotted should be there, and also our what this our super dam should be there, and the mountain should be at the same place at level 10, because now we are looking for buy. So when you find that there is a yellow triple T, yellow triple T, and there is dotted, sometimes some may be late to see them, maybe like dotted or maybe trading uh, king arrow, blah blah, or trade maker. What you are supposed to be looking here is yellow triple T and confirmation of one of these indicator or all indicators. There is no problem, but here they must have either one of these dotted, either of with the triple T. The triple T can be with a king arrow, can be with a market trade market, what, sorry for that. We can have our dotted here and market at this place. So what you're looking at this area, it is triple T and one of these indicators confirming that. And remember now, we are going to take our trades in minute 1. So here, make sure there is a yellow triple T and one of the indicators, whether it is trade maker is this dotted or this dotted, or the super dam or the king arrow. So it must have those indicators. So let's go now to minute 1. In minute 1, guys, let me go back there because I don't know why. Let me pin that trade line and go direct to minute 1. Now here is where we are. In minute 1, where we are taking our trades, guys, we are supposed to have all confirmation. And when I say all confirmation, I mean we must have the yellow triple T, we must have the trade maker, we must have the king arrow, we must have the dotted, and we must have the super dam, and the mountain should be also at level 10. You know why this line is here? It's because we draw this line in 1 hour, and as you know, only one candle for 1 hour, it can be here. So we are in the right place. So we are looking for all these indicators here. The confirmation of all indicators is what we need in minute 1. Remember, we started analyzing our market from 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and now we are taking our trades in 1 hour. After this, now this arrow, minute 1, and this is arrow, it's what will give us entry point. So this is where we take our trades. Then we'll go back to 1 hour to look for exit point. So after entering here in minute 1, and remember the minute 1 must have confirmation of all indicators, then enter trade with this arrow, then go back to 1 hour time frame to look for exit, because it is good to understand when or where to exit the trade. Number 1, we have the exit number 1, which is this daily breakout line. When the candle touches this area, you can exit the trade and you can re-enter the market again. And I will show you how to re-enter again, because we are supposed to re-enter the market at minute 1. Now, this the exit point or take profit 1. And the other thing, it is where our mountain is. The exit number 2, you can exit the trade only when this mountain touches the level 50. So you can hold until this market touches level 50, then you can exit that trade. But for that to touch this area confidently, even without exiting here, in 1 hour time frame, the yellow triple T must be here. But if it is the red triple T or aqua triple T, you can take profit 1 here and wait to re-enter the market again and exit again when it touches here. And now here it's entry number 2, or it will be, okay, number 3, because this is number 2. And you take profit here again from this one to here. And remember, this is volatility 75 from here, from just this place to here, it can give you a good dollars. But if you have a yellow triple T at this place, guys, you can hold this market until when the mountain touches level 50. Then you can wait to see if you can enter the market. I may not give an example to all volatilities, because I want to catch up everything here so that you can understand it correctly. But the only volatility I will give you why we enter with the yellow triple T in minute 15. I will tell you why. Now, when to enter that market? Let's say, for instance, you exited the market at this place. We said when 1 hour touches, when the candle touches the daily breakout line, you can exit the market from that point. Now, the big question is when to enter the market. Guys, as you can see, we have our trade line here. And I told you, this is professional. For those people who know how to analyze the market, or to analyze the chart, they know what the trade line means. Because if this is an up trade, as you can see, all confirmation already are here in 1 hour, the market can reverse to our trade line. Then from there, it can continue going up. The same thing, you see the market again touches this area and reverse and touch our trade line, and now this is another entry. And remember, we are taking this entry in minute 1. Let me pin this. Let us pin this line and go back. Go back to, after pinning this our vertical line. Let's go back to minute 1 and see what is there. Guys, see what I'm saying now. There is all confirmation. The mountain again, it's at this level, level 10. And remember, because now we are re-entering the market, we are not looking for yellow triple T here. We are looking for any of the triple T, but with the combination of all indicators here. We have the dotted, we have the super dem, and now we can re-enter this market, because in 1 hour time frame, it has already respected our daily time frame, never break our daily time frame. So it is time to go up. So how will you know that this market will go up? It's only when you jump now to minute 1 and see if there is all confirmation there telling you now you can re-enter that market. And remember, after all this confirmation, now we are entering market with this arrow. When you are entering the market, re-entering meaning the second or the third time to re-enter the market. You are not supposed to do the analysis of 15 minutes or 5 minutes. No, you are supposed to just only to see if the candles rejected your trading line. Go to minute 1 direct and see if there is an entry there. And this entry must have the confirmation of all indicators, triple T's and other indicators should be there. Then enter market with this arrow, and remember the mountain should be at this level 10 again, then re-enter that market. Again, you go back to 1 hour and see. As you can see, when it touches this level, our daily breakout line, then you exit the market. Guys, let us see, after rejecting our trade line there, is there any opportunity in minute one. And remember, you can scalp or do a lot with this one. Guys, let's go back again. Let me pin our vertical line. Let me pin it there and go back to minute one and see if there is entry there. Now, this is what we are talking about after the rejection of 1 hour time frame. Let's go back to 1 hour, guys. I just want to be very careful looking where our trade line is. This is where our trade line is. Let it load the trade line. You see, this is where our trade line is. And there was a rejection of this blue one. This is where it rejected and the market continued going up. After respecting or rejecting our trend line here, this is where we go to minute one and see what is happening there. Sorry, let me pin that vertical line again. Let me pin it again so that I don't want you to miss the entry point in minute one. Let's go back. This is where now our entry is. There is also our triple T here. I just want you to see clearly. There is a triple T here and confirmation of other indicators. We have our trade maker here, we have our super dem here and a triple T here, our king arrows here, the mountain again at level 10. Let's even delete this one and go here. This is your entry point at this hour because we have all confirmation here and we re-enter the market. At that time. And you know, guys, entering market from this place to here, especially trading the volatilities, you can have a good money from this place to this one, especially if you're trading with volatility 75. Now we re-enter the market the third time. Don't think that I'm lost, guys. I know we were talking about the swing trade, but what I just wanted you to see, it is to secure your profit. And again, you can re-enter the market at this place after the price reject or respect our trade line. Then again, after this reversal touching our daily breakout and reverse to this place, this is the power of trade line. If you understand how to trade with the trade line, let me tell you, with this system, you can be a professional trader because everything is there. Everything is automated and you are just only supposed to understand how they work. And from there, you will make a good money because of being professional. This is why the MT5 software is so great. Again, we saw that there is a good entry there. And remember, we're expecting this market to go up, 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 up. So for a swing trader, let me repeat this, but I'm not repeating myself. I said it and I will repeat it again. After entering this first trade, you can exit the market when it touches a daily breakout line. But if there was a yellow triple T here with other confirmation of the market kicked off, the other confirmation of all indicators were here, and the yellow triple T was here, you are only supposed to exit this market when this mountain touches level 50. Before this market touches level 50, let me tell you, the trade will be somewhere here and you'll be making a lot of money. I believe now that is clear of how to swing and how you can re-enter in your swing trade and securing your early profit and re-enter the market again. The only thing you need, it is not me to repeat myself, it is to watch this video again and again until it gets in your brain. If not yet, I can still continue sharing other video until you become, I just want people to understand how to work even with these trade lines, because this is how you can trade professionally without missing any opportunity. Now, let's go now. That's what you can do to all volatilities. Now, let me show you why you are not supposed to enter the market if 15 minutes, if there is no yellow triple T in 15 minutes, don't enter that market. It will be a chopping market. Let me show you. This is volatility 25. I'm doing this fast because I just want to save your time. Let's say This is where the market was approaching the level 10. Don't forget, we are looking in 1 hour. Remember, now we are 1 hour and the market was approaching the level 10 here. And I told you we must have one of the triple T, and this is one of the triple T that was telling you now the market will reverse, or you can look for buy now in minute 1. But why should I not advise you to take this trade? I will show you in a few minutes. When you go to 15 minutes, let me first of all pin this vertical line, this our line here, so that we can understand. Let's go to 15 minutes, guys. I just don't be bored because of long video, because I just want to show something here, because I don't want any one of you to lose money. If you lose money this time around, it is because you don't want to gather more information, you don't want to communicate to me, you don't want to follow the rules, and maybe you are ignoring our videos thinking that I'm just making a lot of noise. Let me tell you, what I'm communicating or what I'm sharing with you, it is surely professional and a good idea that will help you to make money. Now, in 15 minutes, as you can see, we don't have a yellow triple T here. What we find here, we've just found that there is a red triple T. Again, even if the mountain was approaching this level 10, you can see where the mountain is. The mountain, we are here. The mountain is not in level 10. The market was at level 10 at this place. Sorry. This is where the market started approaching the level 10. And here we don't have a yellow triple T. And what I told you, you are only supposed to enter this market if there is a yellow triple T in 15 minutes. Because in 5 minutes, in minute 5, let's go to minute 5 and see what is there. Sorry for that. You know, today the dairy are doing maintenance, so we're expecting this. Yeah, as you can see now in minute 5, it's where we are seeing we have a triple T. But because there was no triple T in minute 15, this is why we are not supposed to enter this market, because this market will be, someone can say, no, I can see it went, no. It is good to follow the rules. It is good to follow the rules. Don't be greedy. There is a lot of opportunity and a lot of things that you can enter the market if you follow the rules correctly. And remember, we are taking trades in minute 1, though we are doing swing trade and we are exiting in 1 hour time frame. So the market like this one, you are not supposed to enter with the market. It's unpredictable. And when you find some index like this one, either you can avoid them or wait them to give you a good a good setup. And this is why after seeing all this market went nowhere. It's only playing one game in the same area. It's not trading good, only because even when you are looking the confirmation are not clear. Here it's the red triple T in minute 15, yet we are looking for a yellow triple T. Let's go back to 1 hour and see if we will see where there was a yellow triple T. Let's look for level 90, because now that is level 10. Yeah, let's see now what happened at this place when this market was approaching level 90 at this place, level 90. And let us pin this and see what happened. And remember, you are supposed to zoom out just once. Don't forget that. Let me delete one. This one, let's go back to here. Here it's where now we are looking the mountain was approaching level 90. And let's go back to 15 minutes and see what was there in minute 15. If there was a yellow triple T, as you can see, we don't have a yellow triple T, but a red triple T. So this market, and this is why this market never went smoothly. It's all about consolidating, but this is because the system is for lifetime. You can do that and see if you can take trades like this one. But for me, I just look for few index that trades good, and when I'm looking for what I want, I must get it there. But if I don't get what I want, guys, I don't take those trades. So the rules there is those. I just wanted to show you the market that they don't have the clear entry after looking in 1 hour time frame, and this is why for several days this market was raging at the same time. There is no a clear setup. But for the market with the clear setup, guys, for the market with a clear setup like this one, you see it's not raging that much. We are just looking at this level because now we haven't reached to level 10. And remember, it is a swing strategy. Let's do this and let us pin vertical line and see where this in 15 minutes is. Let's go to 15 minutes is and see if we can find our yellow triple T. Yes, as you can see, the yellow triple T is there. The yellow triple T is there. So entering this market in minute 1, guys, let me tell you, you can do a lot. You can do a lot with this trade. Sorry for that. Let it load. There we go. Guys, as you can see, everything is here in minute 1. After seeing the yellow triple T in 15 minutes, see how this market dropped. And remember, our exit point, it is in 1 hour time frame. So it dropped all the way to this area. So this is why it's very important to follow the rules, the instructions of what I showed you. And remember, we said you can hold the trade and exit the trade when the mountain touches level 50, or maybe when you hit our daily breakout, then you can exit. So you can imagine how many days that are here. From here, guys, this was on 5th June to this place. When was this? This was 29 June, almost 15 days, almost 10, yeah, almost 20. Oh, no. Let's do this mathematics. This was 5th, and this one 5th June, and where it touches our daily, this is 29th June. This means 24 days in the market. This is why it is a swing trading. This is why it is for swing traders. Let's go and start here again. See when was this entry? This entry was happened 27. When was our exit point? That was 29. That is 2 or 3 days being in the same market without stress. So you don't have time to be watching the chart every day, every time. You are only supposed to be looking for entries and take them. Guys, this will be profitable to all if you'll be following rules correctly. And I will still sharing the videos, and you need to understand. If there is somewhere you didn't understand about this swing trade, please don't hesitate to contact us, because I want all traders to be profitable. And I know some are still employed, and those people are employed. These swing trades, it's for you. These swing trades, it's what you need. Those people don't have time to, those people are not full-time traders. This is your strategy, and this is what you need to understand. And this is what, if you don't understand, just communicate to me. I can share another video, or I can explain more until it gets in your brain, and you'll see you'll be making money until you resign even the job and become the boss of yourself. Thank you so much, guys, and once again, welcome to TAFX family. We love you, and we wish you all successful trades. Thank you.